have 3-minute rounds of bantamweight. Representing Thailand, Ferrari. Representing Russia, Cameron Nabate. Up next, we have 3-minute rounds of bantamweight Muay Thai. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, training out of Fairtex Training Center, with a fight record of 136 wins and 33 losses, an 80% win rate. Representing Thailand, Ferrari. And introducing the opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he is the number 4 bantamweight Muay Thai contender, trained out of Archangel Michael, with a fight record of 22 wins and 0 losses. Representing Russia, Cameron Nabate.
Of 53 and 19, representing Thailand, Khaosod. Introducing the opponent, out of the right corner, he is a two-time Lumpini State Muay Thai World Champion, training out of Fairtex Training Center, holding a Muay Thai and kickboxing record of 61 and 15. Representing Thailand, Khaosod. Fighting out of the blue corner, and fighting out of the red corner, or should I say, loving out of the red corner, Kevin Amlin.
ขอบคุณมากครับ
ข่าวสดสื่อออนไลน์คุณภาพที่มีผู้ติดตามทางโซเชียลมากที่สุดในประเทศไทยกว่า 22 ล้าน followers อย่าลืมติดตามคลิปดีๆ สาระความบันเทิง ข่าวด่วนแบบฉับไวกับข่าวสดออนไลน์ได้ทุกช่องทางนะคะ